Hi everyone. Green Mirage, aesthetics and style for the road. When the green Mirage appears, it attracts everyone's attention. Inspired by the legendary Dassault Mirage fighter jets, this bike is a masterpiece that stands out from the crowd with its beauty and elegance. The Green Mirage is a real statement bike. Its impressive look starts with the mighty spoked wheels, a 23-inch front wheel and a 21-inch rear wheel. The deep black powder coating of the wheels extends to the smallest detail, giving it a particularly elegant touch. We drew from the full for the swing arm. Our single-sided swing arm kit has a single arm, allowing a view of the 21-inch spoke rear wheel on the right-hand side. The left side is also impressive. This is where we have fitted our perimeter brake. Who wouldn't be impressed? The metal steel fender is carefully welded in our workshop. The cleverly integrated indicators and the side license plate holder, which exposes the 260mm wide rear wheel of the Mirage, give the rear end a clean look and make the bike look even more powerful. Whether the BREAKOUT is passing by or parked majestically, thanks to the single-sided swing arm, the view of the unique rear wheel design remains clear and undisturbed. Our new Phantom forward-mounted footrest system impresses with its sporty, lightweight design and cutouts. Milled from high-quality aluminum, it stands for the highest quality. The Mirage has the long version installed and is 75mm longer than the original footrest system. Perfect for a tall rider. The other versions will be presented shortly. With our Atlas handlebars, we are making another statement that is not only visually impressive, but also represents craftsmanship. The 45mm thick handlebars are manufactured in our production facility, from several aluminum parts that are CNC milled. This allows us to make precise cutouts in the individual segments to hide cables and lines neatly inside the handlebars. The result is an absolutely clean look. After machining, the next step is seamless manual work. Each handlebar is assembled by hand and precisely welded. Thanks to the material, we can create a visually solid handlebar that still remains light. The front spoiler ensures a compact appearance and closes the gap between the frame and front wheel as an indispensable component. The racing grille gives it the final sporty touch. Spirit leather has done a great job on the seat. Smooth leather, crocodile leather and perforated leather were used to create a classy seat on our bench, which is decorated with a milled Thunderbike emblem in gold. No effort was spared with the finish. Almost everything on the bike was coated in black. The entire front end and all engine covers, even every silver screw was replaced with a black one. Chico's paintwork impresses with the shine of green flakes, gold leaf accents and modern pinstripes. Thanks for watching.